Thank you, brother. We're off in Aswan. Where the fuck's this ferry station?
Taxi?
مش عايز.
مش عايز؟ على تاكسي؟
مش عايز. ها؟ مش عايز.
Hello?
مش عايز. Walking to the ferry. It's unbelievably hot here. But it's all like dry desert heat, a little bit different than being in Dahab. So the local ferry should be like £2. That was it's a very local ferry. I've never had 30 groups, 30 strangers, all just dead stare at me for a good 5 to 6 minutes as we cross the Nile. But I think I'm walking in the right directions. Let's hope so. It's hot. All checked in at a Nubian holiday house. It's got this crazy brick ceilings. Really pretty house. I just worked out, so I'm all sweaty, even though it is really hot here. Come right out. It's a beautiful view of the Nile. The guy's out there by hand, just ripping that. Look at their ash piles they're gonna spread. I'm the only person here right now, so pretty big house, just me and a couple workers. I don't know, yeah, that's that. Gonna head into town probably. On the other side, on the east side of the bank. I'm on the west side of the Nile right now. Try to grab some food or something. I ate like 1 bag of nuts. That's all I had on that train. The food was gross, but we'll see. Oh, and get a nice private. It's actually a nice bathroom. Waiting on like a little boat slash ferry to come grab me from the side of the house, and we're going to some island. I'm not quite sure. The guy that owns the house arranged it, so.
I'm on the red eye flight to nowhere good. How about you? Been in the air for hours, meteor showers by the pool.
first stop is the Botanical Gardens. I think it was 20 pounds. Not bad. The good thing about coming in low season is there's like 3 people here, me and 2 guys that don't want to stop following me trying to sell me necklaces and rugs and like sweaters, as if I'd buy a sweater in 110 degree weather. But yeah, I don't know. I got on a ferry ride, came across, I'm on like a little island right now. Gonna head up to the top up there. I think that might be the only place in Aswan that sells beer. It's been a really hot day, so cold beer sounds good. But this island's beautiful, and this hotel is beautiful. I looked it up, but it's like 110 US a night, I think, which is like what I'm paying for the whole week.